There are three mistakes people are making with their Roth IRA accounts. Let's talk about it. Hello, my name is Maurice L. Wilson. Thank you for joining me today on the Wealth Equation Podcast. Now, what are the top three mistakes people are making with their Roth IRA? Number one, not opening a Roth IRA. The Roth IRA is still one of the most misunderstood accounts in the stock market. And it's simply because people don't understand that they are not getting a tax deduction up front. We oversold the value of tax deductions in the 90s, the 2000s, and the 80s. And so now here we are where there's this account that's going to build tax-free wealth, but we're reluctant to use it because it confuses us a little bit. Simply put, the Roth IRA allows you to put money in on an after-tax basis and pull money out on a tax-free basis. But there are a couple of things you have to have in place to make sure that's the case. And the biggest thing is the account needs to be open for at least 5 years. Often is the case, people will wait till they're about 57, 58 and roll some money from their 401k into this Roth IRA, and they want to pull the money out tax-free. It's not going to happen because you have to have that account open for at least 5 years to get the tax-free benefits. So mistake number one is not simply opening up the Roth IRA. Now, mistake number two is not documenting your contributions. There's going to come a point where you may want to pull the money out of your Roth IRA early. This is okay because one of the biggest benefits of the Roth IRA, besides the tax-free angle, is that when you pull money from your Roth IRA before 59 and a half, the money that comes out first is considered by the IRS to be the money that's already been taxed. But you have to have that documented first so that they'll know you're pulling from the money that's already been taxed. The only way you're going to know that is if you're keeping track of what you put in. That's done through a form called the Form 5498. 5498. This form is delivered to you by your custodian, your broker, wherever you do your investing at, every year, typically around May, because you can contribute to your Roth through April of next year. A lot of people don't know that. The Roth gives you 15 months to contribute for whatever tax year you are in. It's one of the big benefits of the Roth IRA. And the third mistake people are making with their Roth IRA is that they're putting the wrong investments in it. Since the money coming out of the Roth IRA is going to be tax-free, this is the account where you want to put the more speculative and the more aggressive high growth investments in because you're looking to get the biggest bang on the largest growth. So we're currently in the era of quantum computing, AI, nuclear energy, biotech, weight loss drugs, these high growth industries. This is where you may want to park some of your high growth stocks, some of your more speculative stocks, because if they really take off, and also with your cryptocurrency ETFs, the Bitcoins, the Ethereums, if they really take off, then when you pull the money out at 59 and a half, all of those gains are going to be tax free. So what are the three mistakes again? One, not opening a Roth IRA. You have to open up the Roth IRA to start the 5 year clock so that the money comes out will be tax free. Two, not documenting what you put in. You're going to pull money out early from your Roth IRA. Everybody does it. If you're one of the lucky ones that doesn't do it, fine. But typically people pull it out early. And if you pull it out early, no problem. They're going to consider those distributions tax free. But you got to be able to document how much you put in because the IRS says the money that you pull first is what you put in. So if you've been putting in 5,000 a year for 20 years, you got to be able to document that so that you can say, hey, the first 100,000 that comes out of this account before 59 and a half is completely tax free. And here's why. I have my statements. That's the form 5498. Your custodian, your brokerage company, the E-Trades, Robinhoods, they all have this form and it's typically available in the May period of the following year. And then finally, not putting your speculative high growth investments in the Roth IRA. These are investments that are going to take off potentially, right? And when they do, you want to have it in that Roth so that all of those gains can be tax free when you pull out at 59 and a half. So those are the three mistakes people are making with their Roth IRA. I'm your host, Maurice L. Wilson of the Wealth Equation Podcast, where we help you figure out your wealth equation. Thank you for joining me.